Hi and very good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Today we are fortunate to be present at a forum for discussing about this one product which is smart glasses. A product that is quite popular among the younger generation. So before we started, I would like to thank everyone for being here today, especially for our panel. So today at today forum we have two panels. For the first panel we have Mrs. Wong, and the second panel we have Mr. G. So before we going more deeper about this topic, let me introduce to you guys a bit about the smart glasses. What are smart glasses? Smart glasses that offer wireless connectivity and many smart features right in those frames. These smart glasses can allow you to reply a message, answer a call, listen to music, and speak to a voice assistant, and much more. Most smart most smart glasses require Bluetooth connectivity to use most of the feature above. For further detail about this topic, I would like to see information from the first panel, which is Mrs. Wong. So, Mrs. Wong, what do you think about the pricing strategy of the smart glasses?
Yes, so thank you, Mr. Afi, and a very good morning to all. I'm so glad to be one of the panel here. So I would like to talk about the pricing strategy of the smart glasses. Then for this product, it has separate department that assess the pricing strategy. So for each rival, and then it also examines the marketing style, sales, and innovation of rival. Then according to the figure, consumer generally accept the price of smart glasses is less than like 1,000. Then the 15 people that choose less than 1,000, the number of people choosing like between 2,000 to 3,000 add up to only 28. So therefore, we will be based on the market rules to make and change the price of realizing our marketing purpose. Then this price contain base price, discounts, price rebate, payment term, and business credit, and use a variety of pricing combination to face with make change. Hence, we also refer to the price of competitor to adjust our pricing strategy. So for now, that is all for me.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Wong, for the explanation. And I believe that that is such a good pricing strategy, and the way that you need to refer to the price of competitor to adjust your pricing strategy is such a good way to make our pricing strategy more stable and maintained. So now we're moving to our second panel, which is Mr. G. So, Mr. G, did the characteristic of the smart glasses affected the prices?
Thank you for the question, Mr. Afid. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Gihan Wen, and I am very honored to be today's panel. Now, let me move on to Mr. Afid's question that about the characteristic of smart glasses will affect the price. For my answer is yes. It will affected by the characteristic that the smart glasses have. This is because the smart glasses contain a lot of features. For example, like hand-free, first-person photograph and video recording, speed detection mode, voice and video call, water and dust resistant, and other features are available. For the hands-free, first-person image and video recording implies that the smart AV camera can shoot photo and record video using simple voice or touch command. This enables you to go into still mode if deceived, despite the fact that the glasses are hand-free. They may nevertheless assist you in sending critical email. You can successfully type both text message and email using voice detection. The smart glasses can be used for both audio and video conversation. One distinguishing feature of these glasses is that the person on the other end can see exactly what you see during a video conversation. The new smart glasses are water and dust resistant, making them more robust. It also has the Google search result display so that we can request any information we want by using the Google search engine. And Google Glass will show the result instantly via a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected network. Furthermore, is the voice translation. When we ask, the Google Glasses can display a translation of virtually any language on the lens screen. Next is the Google Map collaboration. These smart glasses can sync with Google Map to display the travel routes, direction, and nearby place of interest. Last is the gesture control. While most operations are carried out through touch and voice command, Google Glass also recognizes simple facial and head movement. For example, you can turn the screen on and perform certain operations by combining eyes movement and tilting your head. This means the more characteristic the smart glasses have, the most expensive the price.
Thank you, Mr. G, for that long explanation of the features of the smart glasses. There's one features for me that make me stun just now is the voice translation features. That's really cool, I guess, because yeah, like when we were working and need to search something that or do something that needed to use smartphone that may cause any accident, and that such a good way to prevent the accident from happening, which is using the smart glasses. Like if you needed something, you just need to say it and it will appear at your lens. Okay, so next my question is to Mrs. Wong. So Mrs. Wong, could you describe how the products are promoted?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Afi. So, a lot of promotion technical as promotional activity, like we help the build brand loyalty and interest. So, furthermore, we will use a variety of transformation means to stimulate consumption and the buying inclination of customer and promote product sales where to realize marketing purpose. So we will use the different way, which include the advertisements, which is related to the promotion, staff sales, sales promotion, public relationship, and some factor combination are controlled.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Wong. So, Mr. G, may you tell the audience a bit about the place that we can purchase the smart glasses?
Thank you, Mr. Office. The smart glasses are available for purchase in store. The smart glasses may also be purchased online, and much information regarding smart glasses can be accessed on the internet. We also market the smart glasses on TV and through online advertisements such as YouTube. Furthermore, It has a 1 year guarantee of the smart glasses, so if the product is damaged, the client may return it to us for maintenance or repairs. This repairs is apart from man-made distortion, and it also has a QR code for the customer to scan to ensure the smart glasses are genius.
Okay, thank you, Mr. G, for the explanation. So there's a point that attracted me just now, which is the 1 year guarantee. Yeah, it's like if the product were damaged, so the clients can make a complaint to do a refund from the store, and the store will make a maintenance or replacement for that damaged product. Uh, Next, we're moving to Mrs. Wong. Mrs. Wong, what do you think about what has been done to ensure the product is different from others in the current market?
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Afi. So, in my opinion, futuristic in their concept, the smart glasses has been a failure of teach enthusiasts. So, they can function like an efficient hand-free smartphone. So, full of features that make the dealing with day-to-day tasks a piece of cake.
Thank you, Mrs. Wong. So for me, I think there's a good difference that can make the product more compete in the current market. Now I would like to move my next question, Mr. G. So Mr. G, how does this innovation contribute to the user?
Thank you, Mr. Afri. The new smart glasses have found a home in industry like manufacturing and logistics, where workers constantly have to refer to complete instruction or checklist. Glass can put whatever reference material a worker needs for the job right in their line of sight, so they can work without having to constantly carry and refer to hard copy lists or instruction.
Okay, thank you, Mr. G, for your great opinion. Regarding to Mr. G opinion just now, do you have any supporting Mrs. Wong?
So yes, regarding Mr. G point, I have something to add on science. Because science has become a long way with AI technology. So if research centre invest in their smart glasses, then there is a possibility of increase the efficiency in operation. So we'll like and come up with more application that can go on the benefit society in general.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Wong. So I think we already reached at the end of the discussion, and what we can conclude from this forum today, from this forum discussion today, is technological development in smart glasses make the future possible, but it has not become an ordinary household item like smartphone and tablets. Through this investigation and research, it is found that one of the factors that affect potential consumer is price cost and the impact of function on consumers' purchases. However, with the decline in the prices and the enhancement of functions, smart glasses will be adopted by more people in the future. Therefore, the development and exploration of software and hardware around smart glasses and the innovation of the appearance have become the trend of consumer electronics. and it bring more innovative ideas to the future. So thank you for all your comment and your explanations. So I hope our forum today was a little informative and provided our viewers with some background on the increasingly popular smart glasses. Thank you.